snow is falling down and it is cold outside. We gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim, yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy
Our Valentines. Oh gosh, this looks so cute. I wanted to do something just simple, just these chocolate for the children, and also these little teddy bears. Got them cards, and I put a little bit of rose petals. This is Makeda's side, her chocolate, her teddy bear, and her card. This is Danielle's side. This is looking beautiful. This is Elijah's side. Alexandra over here. Alexandra, are you Valentine's ready? Are you Valentine's ready, my love? No? Accent watching TV. What are you doing, Don? We have Don here.
A mock version of an opera tour.
Oh, I'm so excited. So, I thought you were making chocolate cake.
It is a chocolate cake.
It is?
Mm-hmm.
And are you still doing the ganache?
Yeah, the ganache is going to go cover the whole thing.
Ooh.
It's kind of, I'm doing grilled mahi-mahi.
Okay.
I'm going to make an orange vinaigrette.
Mm-hmm.
I'm doing tricolor carrots. These are the ingredients for my mashed potatoes, except for the snow peas.
Wow.
This is for my vinaigrette, and this is for my pesto here. It's also
All of this?
Yeah.
Wow.
That side there.
I'm excited for this thing. Kids did this last night. These are beautiful. They did a good job.
Yeah, they did an excellent job.
Elijah over there like, what are they doing? Fit for Valentine's Day. Isn't that cute? Oh. So this dress is from In the Style. I'm loving this dress. A mauve color. We're actually going to finish getting everything ready. Waiting on Dawn to finish up the dinner. And we'll catch you guys in a bit. This is what I bought for the children. Gosh, they're going to like it. Oh my gosh, they're going to be pretty excited. That's for Danielle. Then we have Elijah, Makeda, and this one is for Alexandra. For Danielle, this one is for you. And we have this one. Whose one is this? Okay, this one is for Makeda. I'll put it right beside her. And one is for Elijah. Open and look down. Open, look down, Makeda, look up.
I knew it.
No, you didn't know it.
Thank you.
You're
It has
welcome.
roses on it.
Yeah. And Makeda, do you like yours?
Yeah.
This is Makeda's own. This is so cute. I kind of think she would like it. And the heart. And this one, let me see yours, Danielle. This is Danielle's own, a cute little pink one. Do you like it?
Yeah.
And it's Elijah. That one is so cute. Do you like it?
Yeah.
I've always get Elijah brown. Alexandra, do you want to open it? And sure. Alexandra, are you excited? No, that one is cute. Sure, look at that.
Look.
That's your first Build-A-Bear. Do you like it? She's looking like, what is that? This is hers. It's so, so cute. Yeah, you like it? Hi. She's saying hi.
To the building.
Do you like it, Alexandra? Yeah? She said yes. Take a picture. Hi, baby.
I'll think about how I'm have a place that I can come home to.
That Don made. This is looking really beautiful. Look at that.
Stop doing that. Yeah, you're getting taller.
Oh, here, Daddy.
That's enough? What is this for?
Ice if you want.
So we're just going to enjoy this dinner that Don made. Thank you, Chef.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, so we're just going to have some family time and just enjoy our dinner. And yeah, happy Valentine's Day, everyone. We love and appreciate you guys. We catch you in a bit. Our chocolate covered strawberries. I'll have one more. I must stop myself. Baby's downstairs sleeping. She should be awake in the next half hour because it's like 6:30 right now. And yeah, we had a wonderful time today. The children enjoyed their presents. They did enjoy it. And actually they love Build-A-Bear, so you know that's a must. And to see Alexandra happy for her first Build-A-Bear, she doesn't know what's going on, but she was actually kissing that bear. She was actually kissing her teddy bear. So I guess she likes it, I guess because of all the colors.
I'm feeling a batch of colors. Hey. Don't beat me up. I like you. Yeah, now what you gonna do now, huh? What's going on? Hug it like this, look. Here, you hug me, baby. You hug me, baby. Yeah,
Aww.
there you go.
That
Hug
is
me,
sweet.
baby. Yeah. Yeah, that's the way you're supposed to treat your bear. You're supposed to hug him. Paris, and look, yours got colors.
You have to focus on that bear over there.
You're going after the little tiny bear with the big eyes, huh? Look at these big eyes. Look at those big eyes. You see those big eyes? You got big eyes. See ya?
Okay guys, so it's pretty early. It's like what, almost 8 o'clock, but I have to edit and I want to watch a movie, so I'm just going to try and hurry to edit this video so it can be up tomorrow. And yeah, we did enjoy a little Valentine's time together and it was a good one. The food was so good. What my chain says, I love it so much. And it says Jesus is Lord. Them to put this heart on it as well. Alexandra. Okay, so that's it for tonight, guys. I'm going to go ahead because it's some minutes to 8 now, and I'm going to go ahead and start editing this video so it can be up tomorrow. And yeah, and also we're going to be watching a show tonight because it's movie night. And Don, do you know what show we're watching?
No, I don't have a clue.
You don't have a clue? What if I pick it? Christmas.
We just watched the Christmas movie. It was
When?
a horror movie, though.
You watch a Christmas movie?
Yeah, this is a little while ago. We just finished watching it.
That is new because you don't watch Christmas show.
It was a horror movie, so.
It was. Did it scare you?
No, it wasn't scary, but, you know, it wasn't nice either.
Okay. Just going to go ahead and edit. Also, shoe done.
Sorry. She bounced.
Food was so delicious. It was so good. Don, you did a pretty good job.
Thank you.
It was really good. We didn't get to film how Don cooked it because it was a lot going on, so I didn't get to film that. Anyway, I love you guys. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you did enjoy this video, and please don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And yeah, we deeply appreciate it. And also, please don't forget to go ahead and also give this video a thumbs up. Who is that? Alexandra. But anyway, it's getting really busy in here. But I love and appreciate you. And please remember, I hope you did enjoy your Valentine's Day. Remember, Jesus loved you. God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him, whosoever believeth in him should not perish but have everlasting life. Alexandra is climbing on me. She needs that attention. But anyway, I'll catch you guys in our next video. And please don't forget to remember to walk in love, stay in love, and stay connected to God. And you do have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye-bye.